Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can translate an entire Google Doc into another language in a couple of clicks. This is a really helpful option for some of your students who might be EL newcomers or students who just would prefer to have a document or a file in their native language. So what you would do is you'd open this Google Doc, any one that you already have, or you can even start a blank one and translate it later. When you have your document open, you'll click Tools, and then down the tools menu, there's a button that says translate document. You'll select that. It gives you the option here to give the file another name because what it's going to do is keep your original file, but create a new copy of this document in the translated language of your choice. So you'll click choose a language. You can select whatever language you would like from the options menu here. There are quite a few. And when you have it, you'll click translate. As you see here, a new tab is going to open and it's going to generate a new copy of my Google Doc here, but just in that translated language. So I have my new version here, all saved in my Google Drive.